Welcome to this latest social media video from Mills CNC, which focuses on an important new development relating to the CNC Training Academy. As you can see, I'm here in Mills' Customer and Visitor Centre at the company's campus facility, where for the last 13 years, the CNC Training Academy has been located, and where a large number of customers have received their operator and programmer training. The big news is that from January next year, the CNC Training Academy is moving its entire operation to a brand new facility currently being built as we speak. The new location is still on the campus, just a different part of it. And in this video, we're going to go over to the Academy's new home and tell you more about its facilities and features. So here we are at Unit 1 at the campus, literally a stone's throw away from the Customer and Visitor Centre. And I'm delighted to be joined by Karen Earley, the Academy's training manager, who can give us the lowdown on the new facility. Hi Karen, so here we are outside what will be the main entrance to the new Training Academy when it opens next year. And this is where our course attendees will arrive before registering for their specific training courses. Now, before we delve a little bit deeper into the facility, can you maybe tell us a little bit more why the decision was made and why now?
Absolutely. The simple explanation is that the CNC Training Academy, like all Mills operations, have experienced strong growth over recent years, and to meet demands from customers looking to develop their skills or acquire new ones, we need to expand our training facilities. Unit 1 of the campus provided the perfect solution by enabling us to create a bespoke training and learning environment.
Okay, thanks Karen. Now, building works are currently underway, preventing us from going inside, but perhaps you can give our viewers a brief sneak preview of the new CNC Training Academy and the improvements that have been made.
Well, in addition to the reception area, the most noticeable difference is that there will be 3 discrete, well-resourced training classrooms instead of the 2. Equally important is that we now have 2 new dedicated DN Solutions machines for training purposes at our disposal, which will help the Training Academy be far more self-contained. The new facility also will have a communal breakout and cafe area where the course attendees can meet outside of the classroom, grabbing a tea, coffee or having their lunch. All of us at the Training Academy are looking forward to the move, and although you can't see much at the moment, we are impressed with our new home.
Thanks Karen, that's great. So there you have it. Proof positive that Mills' commitment to continuous improvement is alive and kicking. As mentioned at the start, the CNC Training Academy's new home will be open for business in January 2024, and we'll be keeping you up to speed with all the latest developments via our social media channels in the weeks ahead. So watch this space.